Hi, so today we have Sky Phantom radio control drone, and these are the functions. So this is 2.4 gigahertz, and then 3D flip, which is 360-degree flip. Camera can be added, and then if you want to locate if it goes somewhere, so it will come here by using this headless mode, speed selector, light, rechargeable lithium battery, and a key to return. Full function. So this is one of the best drones available in market, and it is for 14 plus age group. Now this one is built in imported 6-axis gyroscope. Now let's open this. So here it is. Let's fix the stand there. And if you look at the remote, so it's quite handy. So here it is, ready to fly. Let's get started. And yeah, here is the manual. Okay, so which has all the necessary instructions to fly and to put the battery. Let's switch it on. So one beep and then we'll know that it's ready to fly. Uh-oh. There. So this was a flip, 360-degree flip. फिर बनाएंगे. Alright, so thank you for watching.